So something we get asked a lot here is how do you install the replacement mesh kits on our different seats? So I thought I would make a quick video and show you how we do it. This is a recurve seat. We've got the replacement mesh here, as well as a stack of the large zip ties that the mesh will come with. What you want to do is take the seat and put it on a bench like this, slide the mesh. You can see where the top is, and just stretch that over so that the slots right here are going over the spot where the struts mount. It will also make it easier if you remove the struts when you're doing this. So put that there. Stretch. Remember, this mesh definitely stretches, so you can see I'm having to work it a little bit to actually get it over the spot where I want, and that's completely normal. It will all come together nicely. And actually, to make this fit, I had to take it off of the top, so I'll put those on next. Almost got it. See how easy this is? This one's actually being tougher than most. Usually the things just slide right on there. There we go. So now we will slide these up and put them over the top, and then begin lacing the seat. There's that one there. There's that one there. Make sure there are no wrinkles in it as we're doing this. Now what you're going to see is I'm going to just very lightly attach these zip ties. Right, so push the head all the way down there. Put that in and just, pull it tight, but not very tight. We're really just installing the zip ties now, and then we will tighten them individually in the next step. Here's number 3. Your kit probably comes, I'm just using all of the same size, the extra long ones, to demonstrate. Your kit is actually going to come with some longer and some shorter ones. The longer ones definitely go at the ends. The shorter ones right in the middle. As you can see, as I'm putting these on, the ones in the middle, I'm getting a much longer tail on them, just because they don't need to be as long. 4. 5, 2 more. 6. And last but not least, there should be a couple extra zip ties in the kit for you, just in case you need them. For example, I'm going to need one here. I accidentally attached that one incorrectly. As I want the zip tie, I don't know if you can see it, I want it going under this metal rod here. So I'm actually going to cut off this one, turn this a little bit, and put it in the line. And then once I do this, I'm actually going to rotate all of the heads over here. Make it easier to pull on them. And I'm just going to slowly tighten them up. Not trying to get complete tightness with every pull, just slowly working it up. And then I get that down here, a little bit tighter. Now, I mean, it's getting pretty tight there. The next thing you can use is some pliers. I've got some needle nose right here, and grip these so you can get a little bit more oomph with them. And I'm actually going to get a set of real pliers, because those don't have quite enough bite to them. Here we go. You can definitely get more leverage with these. And just going to start down here at the bottom. Pull. The better tool, I'm not using it in this demonstration because I don't imagine most of you will have it, would be to use a third hand tool that can really pull and grip these as it tightens. But again, I'm assuming you have what I have here, which is a pair of pliers. Okay. So just slowly pulling these tighter and tighter. I'm getting a few more clicks as I do it. All right. And we'll go back here. Pull some more. And this is just about done. Just try to get down to the last possible click. You can see, not too difficult, a little strenuous, but hey, think of it as our upper body workout. Okay. And we are good to go here. So, we're done. At this point, what I recommend is don't clip these. Right? Tuck these into the other side, because the mesh is going to stretch a little bit over time, and if you cut these off, you won't be able to pull it any tighter. This way, after a couple rides, you can go back in and retighten these, get them even tighter, and then clip them off. Okay? That's it. It's relatively easy, and if you have any questions, you can reach us by telephone, by text, by email, whatever works best for you, okay? Have a great day and ride safe.